Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create bar chart in Google Sheet. So let's start. This is my Google Sheet and here you can see I have data, year column and amount column. To create bar chart, simply select the entire data. You just drag with the mouse and you can select here the entire data. Then go to the Insert tab. Then click on the chart option and here you can see your chart is inserted with the chart editor, and you can see here the by default column chart is inserted in Google Sheet. And here I'm going to create a bar chart. Okay, to create bar chart in chart editor, in setup option, the first option is chart type. Here the by default is column chart is selected. Click on this drop down arrow and drag below, and here you can see the bar chart is available. The three types of bar chart available. So I select the first one and here you can see your chart is converted in bar chart. Okay. Now you can use here the customize option. In customize, you can change the chart style, chart title, horizontal axis, vertical axis, grid lines. So I change here the chart style. You can change here the background color. So I select here the background color. Different. You can see the changes over here. Font, if you want to change the font, you can change the font. Chart border color. You can select the border color also. And if you want to change the title, you can change here. Horizontal axis, you can change the again font size. This is a horizontal axis and this is a vertical axis. Okay. And after that in vertical, if you want to change the font, see the changes here in font. Want the text color, bold. See, okay, this is a way you can customize your chart. Okay, you can easily move anywhere. Grid lines, there is a vertical grid line, major ticks. See, the vertical grid lines is showing here. And that's it. So this is a way you can create the bar chart in Google Sheet. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.